Our next question is transform the equation x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 into normal form. So given equation is x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 comes to the right hand side, so it is x plus y is equals to plus 2. Whenever in the question it is asked normal form, we have to divide with root of a square plus b square. Divide with root of a square plus b square. Here a is the coefficient of x, which is 1. B is the coefficient of y, which is also 1. So it will be root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to root 2. So we have to divide with root 2 to the each term on both the sides. So it will be x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2 is equals to 2 by root 2. Now rationalizing the denominator here, so it is into root 2 by root 2, which is equals to 2 root 2 by root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 gets cancelled, so this is equal to root 2. So our equation becomes x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2 is equals to root 2. So this is in the normal form, which is equals to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. Here the alpha will be an angle, so cos 45 degrees is 1 by 2 and sin 45 degrees is also 1 by 2. So this can be written as x cos pi by 4 plus y sin pi by 4 is equals to root 2. So here cos alpha value is 1 by root 2. Sin alpha value is also 1 by root 2. And alpha can be written as pi by 4. And p value is equals to root 2. Since the cos and sin are positive, alpha belongs to the first quadrant. Alpha belongs to Q1. Right? In the first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. Our next question is find the ratio in which the straight line 2x plus 3y minus 20 equal to 0 divides the join of the points 2, 3 and 2, 10. So here we have to find the ratio. Okay. So given line L is equals to 2x plus 3y minus 20 is equals to 0. Okay. Here this point is x1, y1 and this point is x2, y2. So the formula for the ratio of any line which divides in 2 points can be given by, ratio is given by the formula minus L11 is to L22. Okay. So we have to substitute the first point in the given equation is to the second point also we have to substitute in the equation. So it will become negative of 2 into x1 value is 2 plus 3 into y1 value is 3 minus 20 is 2. Similarly the second point, so it is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 10 minus 20. So it is minus of 2 2s are 4 plus 3 into 3 is 9 minus 20 is 2. 2 2 4 plus 10 3 30 minus 20. So this becomes 13. 13 minus 20 is minus 7 is 2. Here this is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So negative of negative becomes positive. So this will become 7 is to 14. So this is 7 ones and 7 twos. So it is 1 is to 2. Next question. Find the ratio in which the straight line 2x plus 3y is equals to 5 divides the join of the point 0, 0 and minus 2, 1. So this is the same the question just we have done the previous one. So the given line L is equals to 2x plus 3y equals to 5 this 5 comes over here, so it is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. This is our line. The ratio formula is, okay, whenever a line divides the line joining 2 points, it is given by the ratio minus L11 is to L22. Similarly, this is x1 and y1, this is x2 and y2. Substitute 2 points in the given equation, so it will be negative of 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 5 is to 2 into x2 value is minus 2 plus 3 into y1 value, y2 value is 1 minus 5. So this will be equal to minus of this is 0, this is 0, and this will be minus 5 is to, here it will be minus 4 plus 3 1 is 3 minus 5. So minus 9 plus 3, which is equals to minus 6, and this minus of minus becomes 5. 5 is to minus 6. Next question is, find the equation of the straight line passing through the origin and making equal angles with the coordinate axes. So we already know that there are two coordinate axes, x and y. Okay, through the origin the lines are passing, so one can go like this, so the angles divides equally. Similarly, the another line can pass in this way, right, so that the angles divides equally. So we know that this is completely 90 degrees, so 90 halves becomes 45 degrees, right? So one angle can be taken as 45. Now the another angle is this one, right? Complete angle will be this, so it will be, this is 90, 90 half is 45, so 90 plus 45 is 135. So this angle will be equal to 135 degrees. Okay, with this line the angle will be equal to 135 degrees, and with this line the angle will be equal to 45 degrees. So we have two cases here, and we know the formula, the equation of the straight line which passes through the origin is given by the formula y is equals to mx. Okay, you have to remember this formula, y is equals to mx. So here we know that m is equals to tan theta. This is also another formula. Here theta is equal to what? 45 degrees for the case 1. We are solving for the first case. So here m is equals to tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So m value will be equal to 1. Substituting here the value of m, so this equation becomes y is equals to 1 into x, which is equals to, bringing the y here, so it is x minus y equals to 0. This is our case 1. For the case 2, the theta is equal to 135. So here m is equals to again tan theta, which is equal to m is equals to tan 135. The value of tan 135 is degrees is minus 1. Okay, you need to remember this. Now substituting the value of m in the equation, so it is y is equal to minus 1 into x, so y is equal to minus x. X can't be negative, transpose to that side, so it is x plus y equals to 0. So we are done with this question. There are two cases. Okay, now the next question is, find the value of p if the straight lines x plus p equal to 0, y plus 2 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 are concurrent. So we know that whenever the lines are concurrent, they have the same point of concurrency, and the value of det will be equal to 0. Okay, you need to remember this. If I'll write here, if three lines are concurrent, then the det value is 0. So now we'll find the det of these three lines. Okay, so it will be modulus of the x coefficient is 1. There is no y term in the first equation, so it will be 0. Next will be the constant p. In the second equation, there is no x term, so it is 0. Y is 1 and 2 constant. Here x coefficient is 3, y coefficient is 2, and the constant is 5. This is equals to 0. So here it will be plus, minus, and plus, right? So it is 1 into, we will remove this column and this row, right? We'll remove this when we are solving with the first term 1. So we'll be left with 1 5 is a 5 minus 2 2s are 4. And the second is minus 0, so 0 multiplied with any term is 0, so we will not write the mode of it. Okay, now the third term is plus p into, we'll remove this row and this column, so it is 0 into 2 is 0, and minus 1 3 is equal to 3 is equals to 0. So here it is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, so it is 1, and multiplying this, so it is minus 3p equal to 0. So 3p becomes positive equal to 1, p is equals to 1 by 3. Next question, find the value of p if the lines 4x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0, 2x plus 2py plus 2 equal to 0, and 6x plus 5y minus 1 equal to 0 are concurrent. Here is also the same condition. So we know that the lines which are concurrent, their det value is 0. So we'll find the det of these three lines. Okay. Given lines are 4x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0, 2x plus py plus 2 equal to 0, 6x plus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. Finding their det, so it is plus, negative, and positive. So starting from the coefficient of x, which is 4, next is minus 3, minus 7, and here it is 2, p, and 2. And here it is 6, 5, and minus 1 equals to 0. So it will be 4 into, eliminating this row and this column, so it is minus p, and 5 2s are 10, and minus 10. And if negative of negative will become plus 3 into, eliminating this row and this column, so it is 2 into minus 1 minus 2, and 6 2s are 12, and plus into minus is minus, so minus 7 into, eliminating this row and this column, 2 5s are 10, minus 6 into p, 6p equals to 0. Multiplying 4 inside, so it is minus 4p, minus 4 tens 40, and plus into minus minus, 3 2s is 6, minus 12 3s are 36, minus 10 7s are 70, minus of minus is plus, 7 6 are 42p equals to 0. So here it is 42p minus 4p, which is equals to 38p. And here these are all the negatives. If we add them all, we'll get the value minus 152 equals to 0. Bringing 152 to that side, so it will become positive. 38p is equals to 152, which is equals to 152 by 38, 38 ones, and it is 4s. So p is equals to 4. Next question is, transform the equation 2 plus 5k into x minus 3 into 1 plus 2k into y plus 2 minus k equal to 0 into the form L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Then find the point of concurrency of the family of straight line. So first we have to get this line in the form of this. Okay, so we'll get two lines, L1 and L2 will get two lines. From, we have to find the point of intersection of the two lines, so we'll get the point of concurrency. Okay, solution, the given equation is 2 plus 5k into x minus 3 into 1 plus 2k into y plus 2 minus k equals to 0. Okay, multiplying the x term inside, so it is 2x plus 5kx minus 3 and y. So it is 3y plus into minus is minus 2, 3 to the 6 ky plus 2 minus k equals to 0. So writing the equation here, taking all the terms not having k in it, so it is 2x minus 3y plus 2, and taking k common from the remaining terms, so we'll be left out with 5x minus 6y minus 1 equals to 0. So this is in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 equals to 0. So the L1 value is equals to 2x minus 3y plus 2 equals to 0, and L2 is equal to 5x minus 6y minus 1 equals to 0. Finding the point of intersection of line 1 and line 2, we'll get x, y1. Starting from the middle, so it is minus 3, constant term is 2, and again it is 2, and next is the minus 3. Minus 6, minus 1, 5, and again minus 6. So it is x by 3 ones are 3 and negatives becomes positive, minus of minus, and this also negative in middle minus is 0, so it is positive. 6 2s are 12 is equals to y by 5 2s are 10 and negative positive plus 1 2s are 2 is equals to 1 by 6 2s are 12 minus 12, and minus of minus is positive, 5 3s are 15. So this will get x by 12 plus 3 15 is equals to y by 12 is equals to 1 by 3. So from here we'll get the value of x is equals to 15 divided by 3, which is equals to 5, and y is equals to 12 divided by 3, which is equals to 4. Therefore point of concurrency is equals to 5 comma 4. 20th question, find the distance between the parallel lines 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 and 10x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So the distance between the parallel lines is given by the formula mod c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. Okay, so the thing is we have to have in both the equations the value of a and b should be equal, right? So we have to make this equal, so we should multiply it by 2. Okay, for this equation we'll multiply it by 2. 2 into 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 becomes 5 2s are 10x minus 2 3s are 6y minus 2 4s are 8 is equals to 0. Okay, so now the value of a and b are equal. This is c1 and this is c2. Substitute in the formula. You have to remember the distance between the parallel lines. So that is equal to mod c1 value is minus 8, c2 value is minus 9. So it is minus of minus becomes plus 9 by root a square is 10, 10 square plus b square is minus 6 square. It is equals to mod 1 by root of 100 plus 36, 6 squares. So it is 1 by root 136, which is equals to 1 by, we can write it as 4 into 34, which is equals to 1 by 2 root 34 units is the distance. Next question is, if theta is angle between the lines x by a plus y by b equal to 1 and x by b plus y by a equal to 1, then find the value of sine theta if a is greater than b. So we have to solve the equation given x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Taking LCM here, so we'll get bx plus ay by ab equals to 1, which can be written as bx plus ay is equals to ab. Bringing ab here, so it is bx plus ay minus ab equals to 0. Consider it as equation 1. Similarly, solve the second equation, which is x by b plus y by a equals to 1, can be written as ax plus by by ab is equals to 1, which is equals to ax plus by is equals to ab. Bringing ab here, so it is ax plus by minus ab equals to 0, which is equation 2. Now let theta be the angle between the lines. Let theta be the angle between the lines. Sine theta formula is there, okay? You know, find the value of sine, it is asked in the question. So the formula is mod a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by root a1 square plus b1 square into root a2 square plus b2 square, okay? So this mod only to the numerator side, okay? So this is in the form of a1x plus b1y, okay, plus c1 equals to 0, and this is in the form of a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Substituting the values of a1 b1 and a2 b2, so it is mod of a1 value is b into b2 value is also b minus a2 value is a and b1 value is also a by root of a1 is b square plus b1 is a square into a2 is a square plus b2 is b square. So this can be written as b into b is b square minus a into a is a square by, they are the same terms, multiplying them, so we'll get the root whole square, right? They are same, so whole square you will get when you multiply the two roots. The square and root gets cancelled, so it is sine theta is equals to mod b square minus a square by a square plus b square, right? In the question it is said that a is greater than b, right? A is greater than b, so we should subtract a from b, right? So it is a square minus b square, sorry, b from a, okay, by a square plus b square. Next question is find the foot of the perpendicular drawn from 4, 1 upon a straight line 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So here we'll have a line which is nothing but 3x minus 4y plus 12 equals to 0. And there is a perpendicular drawn which is at a point 4, 1. We have to find the foot which will be h, k, right? This is perpendicular. We have to find the foot of this perpendicular, okay? So given solution, given line 3x minus 4y plus 12 equals to 0. So this is nothing but ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So the value of a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 4, c is equals to 12, right? And let x1 comma y1 that is equal to 4 comma 1. Let h comma k be the foot of the perpendicular from 4 comma 1 on 1, which is the line 1, okay? So we know the foot theorem, right? What is the foot theorem? H minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now substitute the value of x1, y1, a, b, c in the equation. We get h minus x1 is 4 by a value is 3 equal to k minus y1 is 1 by b value is minus 4 equal to negative of a value is 3 into x1 value is 4. So the b value is minus 4 into y1 is 1 plus c is 12 by A value is 3 square plus B value is minus 4 square. So it will be h minus 4 by 3 is equals to k minus 1 by minus 4 equal to negative of 3 4s are 12 minus 4 and it is plus 12 by 3 square 9 plus 4 square is 16. So it is 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 minus 4 is 20. So this can be written as minus 20 by 16 plus 9 is 25. Cancelling with 5, 5 fours are and 5 5. So we can equate this with both h and k values. So it is h minus 4 by 3 is equals to 4 by 5 and k minus 1 by minus 4 is equals to 4 by 5. Cross multiplying, so it is 5 into h, 5h minus 5 fours are 20 is equals to 3 fours are 12. Here it is minus, right? So this will become minus 12. So it is 20 comes here, so it is 5h is equals to minus 12 plus 20. 5h is equals to 8, h is equals to 8 by 5. Here also cross multiplication, so it is 5 into k, 5k minus 5 and the 5 plus negative of negative is plus, that is equal to 4 4 16. So this comes here, so this is equal to 5k is equal to 16 plus 5. 5k is equals to 21. K is equals to 21 by 5. Therefore, foot of the perpendicular is 8 comma 5, 8 by 5 comma 21 by 5.